Now, this is Investor Lift app. This is an application we have access to help Dispo our acquired properties. Basically, I'm going to give you a quick introduction of Investor Lift app and how you'll be going about using it to Dispo properties. So here's the link and the credentials will be shared with you. Once you log in, you come into a dashboard. It'll show you how many active deals you have, how many offers have been received, basic understanding of where the current disposition site stands. You would be given on your base settings, you would have guide mode. I'll get into more details of it, but basically you would use this side of Investor Lift to list a property. And this is how we bring it to the market outside of Constant Contact. Constant Contact is one strategy. Second parallel strategy that we run is Investor Lift. So you could click on this link that is active. This is available. The status is active right now. Any changes you make here and you save it will be reflecting on the production side, which is the client facing, the buyers facing side. Any changes you make here will reflect. And you want to see how the deal looks to the end buyer, click on view publish deal. This is how the deal looks to the end buyer. They're able to go through the photos of the property. They are able to contact you with your phone number, email address. They're able to do a 3D Matterport tour right from here. And they can use street view, location, and even submit an offer. So let me show you how the end buyer looks. Let me log in. Okay, we're logging in. And I want to see that deal again. Let me see if it shows up in my name. Perfect. So once I'm logged into their system, this is how, as a buyer, this is what they see. This is how they see the property. They got the comps here. These are clickable links, obviously, just like I showed you in the previous video for Constant Contact. Act now, it's vacant, inquire about this property. We get inquiries, you all, company deals, they'll get a chance to see everything that we have out there. Basically gives them the spread that they have, Matterport video tour, street view, location on Google Maps, and the best of all, make an offer, win it now. Just like how eBay has it, bid or buy it now price, on Investor Lift, we are get an opportunity to do so. Asking 305, buy it now, no questions asked at 350. Oh, sorry about that. At 315. Beauty of this app, it's a great application. I'll show you in the next video how to go about putting all the content up here. But some of the functionalities that we're going to be using in this one is after you set up the property available, you could set up open house right here and send out a blast. Any inquiries, you'll be able to see it here. Address requests are right here. These are the people that have shown interest in looking at the address, and these are the categories they're in. Comps, we could load up here. We can add them. I got to look into create Zillow automatically, but maybe we can add a comp in here. We'll get into when we start building the deal that we send to the end buyer. Now, guide mode is the great feature that they offer, and we're going to be using this. So based on a mile radius of a crow fly, this app generates how many buyers are in that area. If it's already skip trace, you don't need to skip trace it again. We'll get into that on a different video. But as of right now, just check this out. These are all the buyers that have recently purchased a property in that area for all cash. They're investors. They are fix and flippers. They are buy and holds, whatever the strategy might be. These are people that have done immediate deals in the recent. See, they bought this for $415. They flipped it for $735. That's our gross profit. So this is a great app. We'll get into more details of what this does. But initially, I just want you to get an introduction. These are some of the features we use. Dashboard is a great introduction starting point. Then properties, this is where we're going to load up all the properties. offers come in right here, which property offers have come in. And then we go into the God mode of these properties, looking at trying to find a buyer within a certain parameter. We can increase the number of distance from there, 5 miles, update the results, and we'll get a larger pool of buyers. If someone has already skip traced, they're building an ecosystem. If the information is already skip traced, it'll show up as skip traced. If not, it'll give us an option to skip trace that data. At this point, something I want you to understand here is I would like to play with it a little bit because I don't want it to really go in the New York City area. I want the pool of buyers to come from New Jersey. So maybe go to 3.5 miles and see if we can rule out New York and just stick to Jersey. There you go. I want to stick to all those Jersey investors, and they are 464. And looks like most of the data is skip traced already because I've already done it and it's ready to text blast. But this is just an introduction of InvestorLift. Thank you.